Good morning, traders. How are we doing today? Sorry for the fail video yesterday that you couldn't watch. Today, I want to take you through how to, navigate your MT4, how to place trade on your MT4. First and foremost, what you need to do is to go to the back office of your trader, of your broker. Rather, if you are using Hot Forest, you go there. You will see MT4 platform there. Download it. Or if you are using IC Market, you will see MT4. You download it. After you have downloaded it, what you need to do is that you are going to see the icon like this. You see, this is MT4. Guys, you see MT4 on the screen. So you click the MT4. When you click the MT4, when you tap it on top like this, you see different, you see the menu, you see quote, you see chart, you see trade, you see history. Then which one is important? Those are the important one: quote, chart, trade, history. All right. So, and a setting. I will take you through all these one after the other. So first, let's go to quote. Quotes are the instruments that are available in the market that you can add. All right. So if you click quote, you see all these instruments. You see them. Assuming these instruments are not there, let's delete them. For you to delete, what you do is you click this delete on the top right, and all these box, you just tick them all, tick them. Can you see? You now press delete. All of them are gone except the one that I'm currently on the chart. Okay, so can you see? All of them are gone. Now for me to add all those instruments, what you have to do is you click this plus sign. Okay, you go to forest, this forest major, forest minor. All right, so let's forest major and forest minor. Those major currency like GBP USD, euro USD, USD card, all these currency are forest major. Then you have forest minor like all other currency. Now let's first add the forest major. Click forest major. You see, tap them, just tap them. Now they are added. Let's go and check, guys. Can you see? They are added already. If you go to quote, press quote, right now they are added. Now let's go and add forest minor. Click the plus sign, go to forest minor, click it. You see all these currency that are there, they are forest minor. So what do? Just click all of them. As you are clicking all of them, they are adding to it. Go and check. Can you see? Now? I've added them. If you want to add maybe gold, you go to you go to metals. Gold is under metals. So see metals here. So silver, Australia, we want to add just gold USD. All right, gold USD, guys. Look at gold USD here. You have added it. So if you go and check right here real quick, you see gold at the bottom because you have just added it. Okay, let's say you want to add crypto. For lovers of crypto, just go to tap crypto. Under crypto, you see you want to add BTC USD. Look at BTC USD, guys. I've added it. You want to add crude oil, click the plus, go to energy. This is crude oil versus USD. Tap it. You have added it. Do you understand now? So that is it about quote. If you want to remove anything there, just click the pencil sign. All right, click the delete sign, then go and untick, go and tick any currency you want to delete. Like you want to delete AUDNZD, tick the box and go to the delete, click the delete, and it is gone. Do you understand now? That's about quote. Then about chart. If you want to go to any chart, click the chart. Can you see it? Now I am presently on AUDJPY. So if I want to go to another currency, you just go to the dollar sign on top, click it like this. If I want to go to AUD USD, that's what I want to trade. I will now click AUD USD. It will load. Can you see? The chart is here. This is AUD USD chart. If I want to go to Euro USD, I tap Euro USD like this. Can you see? I am on Euro USD chart. Euro USD JPY, I type it. But you must first tap the dollar sign for it to bring you the available currency. That's it about chart. And then another thing I will mention is If you want to change the time frame, we have time frame, we have monthly, you have weekly, you have daily, you have H4, you have H1, you have 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and all those things. Okay, assuming you want to do top-down analysis, you want to have a feel. I encourage people doing top-down analysis on their computer, all right, laptop or desktop. I don't encourage doing all those analysis on phone. It will not give you the best result. But you can use your phone to just glance through what is happening in the market. So what you just do is just tap it, tap the with the front of the screen of your phone. When you're on the chart like this, when you tap it, you see this box round. You see it. So you have monthly, you have weekly, you have D1, you have H4, you have H1, you have M30, M15, M5, M1. If you tap MN, that's monthly. This chart right now, real quick, is monthly chart. You see it. If you want weekly, chart it, click it like this, real quick, guys. This is weekly chart. Do you see it? If you click this one, this is daily chart, guys. If you click H4, this is H4 chart. See, it's becoming clearer that even though we have a sell setup, it may not be ready. It will still go up before it will sell. We cannot sell at the present level. Can you see? If you want 1 hour, can you see this 1 hour chart? Can you see? You want 30 minutes, click 30 minutes. So that's it about time frame, changing time frame. Then this F means indicator. If you want to add indicator, click F. Okay, maybe we want to add let's say we want to add relative strength index. You see relative index here, you click it, look at the period. This is the default. The PZ, the PZ is the how thick you want it to be. Let's say we want it to be 2. We want to change this color to black, and then we now say done. Can you see? This is RSI is already here. Okay, RSI is already here. But guys, I'm just showing you for the sake of knowledge. I don't want people to have RSI on their phone. It makes the available space for the candles to be very small. So let's remove it. So if we want to remove it, what do we do? Okay, we click it like this. You click the F, you click the delete sign at the top right, you tick the box and you press delete. Can you see? It's gone. So another thing you need to know here is if you want to use trend line on your phone, what you do is you tap it. You see this box, triangle, ball, and one other sign, that 3 together. Just click it. You see it, go to the plus sign. All right, which one do you want to use? Trend line. Click trend line. So where do you want to use it? Tap it, tap it. You see a dot will appear. You now draw it like this. Okay, so we have used trend line on this phone right away. If you want it to be thicker than it is, as it is highlighted, you press it down. Okay, you press it down. Okay, okay, just hold on, I think I will get it. Press it down. When you press it down, you see pencil at the top right corner. Click the pencil. You want to edit it. Now you see the PZ. Click the PZ. Real quick, guys. Put it on 3. Okay. After you have put it on 3, you can change the color to black. Okay, and you say done. Can you see? The color is changed to black and it's thicker. So that's how to do that. If it is Fibonacci, you want to use click plus, go to Fibonacci retracement. Under Fibonacci, click it. Where do you want to fib? From this level, you drop it and draw it. You first drop it there, just tap that place, a dot will show. You now drag it to the downside. Can you see? You're expecting this market to probably get to around 61.8 before we sell USD JPY here. For instance, if your analysis tells you so. All right, so that's how to use. If you want to use any other thing there, guys, that's how you go about it. If we tap, do you still have anything that we need to use that we're familiar with? You see Elliott wave, you see triangle. If you want to draw a box, a triangular box, okay, those are the old way of doing analysis. We don't do all those things again. Just move it like this. Can you see that the inside is not filled? If you want to fill the inside, click it, go to the pencil sign. All right, you see fill, tick it. You want to change the color to black, okay, and the pixel you want to make it thick, we increase it to 3. Done. Can you see? Can you see? If you want to extend it, you can extend it like this. If you want to delete it, press it down, delete. Want to delete this one, press it down, uh, press it down, delete. Can you see? So that's how to use those features. Now the next thing is trade. The next thing is trade. Look at, you click trade, you want to place a trade. When you click trade, you click trade like this. So what you will see here is the first item there is your balance, the next is your equity, and the next is your free margin. The first is balance, the next is equity, and the next is free margin. So now what you want to do, what this balance on top mean is that this is the total balance you have in the account, and the equity and the balance will be the same if you are not trading on the account. But if you are trading on the account and your balance will remain the same because you have not closed the trade, but your equity will be changing because it's either you are in profit or you are in red, you are in drawdown. If you have not started making profit and the account is running, then the equity will be less than the balance because you are running into loss gradually. It is not loss yet because you have not closed the trade. But if equity is greater than your balance, it means that you are in profit. And because you are in profit, you will see that that equity will be greater than balance. Let's try. Assuming we say we want to buy AUD this way, guys. Now do one lot. Can you see? Do you notice that now that is in red, the equity is less than the balance? Can you see? It's less than the balance. You see it? So just wait. As soon as it enters profit, boom, you see that can you see now your equity, guys, is greater than your balance? Can you see? Equity is greater than your balance now because you are in profit. Do you understand? Okay. So and so on and so forth. So now the next thing is how to now execute the trade. So once you click trade like this, you click trade, first tap the MT4 logo here, you see trade, click trade, you come to this platform, you want to place a trade, and we start from instant execution. Okay, you want to buy, you click this this SIM card sign with a plus inside, you click it. When you click it, you come to this interface. So what you see here is in market execution. We want to buy. Okay, what is the size you want to buy? You must have done your homework. You must have calculated. Let's say your account is a $200 account, and you see that based on the structure you want to risk 50 pips. Okay, you have calculated that 50 pips times 0.02 times 10 is going to give you $10. You can risk $10. So you are going to put 0.02 here, like 0.02 here. But in my case here, I want to put 1.0 here. I'm ready to risk $500 for a 100k account. So this space here by the left hand side is where you put your stop loss. But now this is the current price, 90.28. So if you are buying, your stop loss must be below 90.229. So if we are using a stop loss of 50 pips, so it's going to be 89.70. That will be the 89.70. That will be the stop loss. Okay, and let's say the TP, you want it to be buying, you want the price to be increasing, so the TP will be, let's say, 91. Okay, so if you now press buy, it will go buy. Can you see? It will go. Can you see? That's what is called instant execution. Instant execution for buy. Now let's do instant execution for sell. Instant execution for sell, guys. Instant execution for sell. So you go to, let's say Euro GBP, guys. Let's say Euro GBP West. Let's say Euro GBP. We want to do sell. You see, You see market execution 1.0. For us to sell, you have the current price is the one at the left hand side, 0.8528. If you want to sell, the stop loss will be above this price, which is, let's say you want to maintain 50 p, that with 0.85 27 plus 50 77. Can you see? Then TP will be below, which is 0.8, let's say 0.85, 0.85, all right, 00. That'll be just 28 pips profit. You click sell. Can you see? That is it. That is instant execution, and the trade is running. Do you understand? Okay. But now, what of a situation where right now, for instance, you want to sell this Euro GBP. Look at where the price is here, guys, 0.8528. But you are looking at it that the market is still going to come up here to 0.8565. So, but you don't want to start selling here. If you start selling here and the market is coming up here, price is coming up here, it's going to be giving you drawdown, what is called drawdown. You'll be in red, and you don't want to do that. So you want to wait for it at the upper side here, that even though the market is selling right now, you want it to buy. So if you buy and get to that upper side, it will give you a better entry. Then when you do that, when you give the market order that when it comes up, it will come and pick you up over here, you are doing what is called sell limit. All right, and when you are doing that sell limit, you place your stop loss above that sell limit price. That's where the stop loss is, because in the sell trade, you don't want to put stop loss below. If you put stop loss below, the MT4 will reject your order. It will not activate it. It will not even highlight it for you to go ahead with it, as I will be showing you right away. So now let's set sell limit. We want this market to come up and pick us at 85.70. So what we do is that you tap this. Okay, this is market execution. Tap it. You don't want it to run immediately. You see sell limit, that even though you are selling now, you want it to buy to the upside and give you a better price. Click sell limit. So that is 85.70, 0.8570, and then the stop loss must be above it. Let's set 50 p stop loss, guys. 0.86. That will be 86.20. Just add 50. That's 70. After that 85, that's 70. Just add 50 to it. You know, if you add 50 to it, it will be 120. So that's what makes it 86.20. Do you understand? And the TP will be, if you want to sell, you are coming down. That will be 0.80. Let's say you are entering. So this becomes your entry price, 85.70. So let's say 85.00. That will be 70 pips, please. Can you see? Right now, guys. So now, supposing that you make mistake in the stop loss. Let's say you want to place that same order, sell limit, okay, and you are putting it at 0. You want it to be above. You are putting it at 0.8500. Can you see that this price is below? It does not activate place for you. That means your price, the price you quoted, is wrong. So you do 0.8570. Can you see it has activate place, because the price you quote is right. Okay, so if the price you quote is right, 8570, and here your stop loss is wrong, you know I told you in a sell limit trade, you are expected to put stop loss above that sell limit price. But assuming you put it below, like 0.8565, this 8565 is less than 0.8570. It's not going to activate place for you, because you are quoting a wrong stop loss. But now let's put it above 8572. Can you see? 8572 is 2 pips greater than 0.8570. So it's going to activate place for you. Do you understand? At the same time, if you come to TP, you are supposed to put TP below your entry. But assuming you put your TP above your entry, it will tell you it's wrong. It will not activate it for you. 0.8572. Can you see? It's not activating place for you. It's not highlighting it for you to place this order because your TP is wrong. So it has to be, can you see 8500 is less than 8570. So it will activate place for you. Do you understand? That is the importance of using the right, quoting the right price on your MT4. Another thing is set stop, guys, under trade. Okay, set stop. So if you want to place a set stop simply mean that this market, okay, is here, and you are not sure whether this market will continue. You are thinking that the possibility of this market to still come to the upside is there, and if you activate your sell here, it can take you up and hit your stop loss. So you don't want to do that. So what you want to do is that you want to give an order that whether this market goes up there or not, you are not concerned, but you know that immediately it gets to the downside here, it's not going to look back again. It will continue to go down. So you now place that whenever it sell to this level, let it pick you along. That's what is called sell stop. So how do you do it? You click this sign, click it like this. Okay, click market execution. You see sell stop, click it like this. So you must set that price below the current market price for it to work. 0.8500. That's the price we want to set. That when it sell to that side, let it pick us along. And then the stop loss for sell, you should know it by now because of the previous example, is supposed to be above the price you quoted. Okay, that will be 0.8, 5, let's say 50. Okay, can you see it's activating, it's highlighting place for us. But assuming, guys, you quoted 0.8400, it will not activate it because your stop loss cannot be below a selling price. It's not possible. So it should be 8550, 8550. Can you see it's activating place, and your stop loss will be below this 85, so 0.8400. If you try 0.8550, it will not activate because it's not supposed to be 8400. You can say place. Can you see this is what is called set stop, guys? Set stop. Okay, have it like this. Market execution, click it, you see set stop. Okay, here 0.8500, here 0.8550, here 0.84. Okay, place. Can you see this is what is called set stop? Can you see when we place the set stop now, is not activated, it's just waiting for price to get to that level. Okay, it's waiting for price to get to that level. Do you understand now? So let's go to buy stop. Buy stop is the same thing. Let's say we want to buy this, we want this to continue to buy to the upside, just as I said. I gave this setup yesterday that it should go to the upside. You need to come over as far as this level, break this top here, come to this level before this market can sell. Okay, so right now, real quick, guys, for us to place a buy stop, maybe we want to join the trade here. We don't want to join here because we are not sure if we join here to still come down. So what we do is to place a buy stop at maybe 90.70. So you click this sign, execute market execution, buy stop 90.70, and then the stop loss must be below because you are buying. So 90.50 pips will be 90.20. Subtract it, 90.20, and the TP is 92, and you put place. Boom. Can you see? So it's not activated, it's waiting until market get to that price before it will be activated. For now, it will not be activated. Do you understand now, guys? Okay, so now we have done buy limit, all those things. So that is it about trade. See, so which one have we not done? Which one have we not done? We have done buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit. So these are the ways you carry out your trade, guys. So you can see the example we did. It's already in profit because we already know what the market is doing. We know the analysis. We have done our research and everything. You can see it's running in profit already. So now the next thing you need to know, guys, is history. Okay, you want to know the history of your trade. If you want to know the history of your trade, guy, just come to history, click history. You see this sign down, this sign that look like a box at the lower side. You click it. No, you can click this up sign that look like a radio at the top right corner. If you click it like this is today. If you click today, this is what I did today, just as a practical example for me to be able to see something to use for this training. Look at it. This is the history of your trade. If you click it again, last week, okay, I opened this demo today, so it's the story of last week is going to give you the story of only today, because today is part of last week. From last week till that is 1 week, it's part of the story of 1 week. Okay, so assuming you have done some trade last week, it's going to give you the history of those trade. All right, that's about history. The next thing you should know about is news. Okay, can you see there are news that are happening right here? If there's anyone you want to read, just click it, guys. When you click it, you see the news. You can read it, although we see scope for the consolidation to extend further and potentially reach the 55 DMA. You can reach all this history, but I don't read all this one. I rather go to forexfactory.com or investing.com to read my news about the market. Okay, so that's it about news, guy. Another thing you should know very well is setting. Look at setting. I want you to look at this my setting and look at how it is. If you want to have a plain chart like I have in my own here, right? Real quick, guys, look at it. Look at it. This chart is very clean, very clean. There is no line. You see that if you open your own new, you are going to see a lot of line there, but you can't see such lines in this my own. So what if you want to make it like that? Go to setting, guys. Settings. If you go to setting, under advanced mode, leave it on ticket. Don't let it be open. Order sound. If you don't want to hear any sound, if you place order, like for instance, if I do my own, if I click this one now, let's go and place trade. Okay, if we go and place trade like this, buy. Can you see? You hear this sound. To make shh, you should make that sound. If you don't want that sound, what you do under setting, you untick this one. So when you untick it, you see that sound will not be there again. Then OHLC, make sure it is ticked. Data window, untick it. Show volume, untick it. Show trade level, tick it. Independent chart, tick it in your own. So period separator, it makes my chart to be too rough. I don't like it. Untick it. Ask price line, tick it in your own. Then the next one is enable news. You can take it if you want. If you don't want, it's not compulsory. You can leave it. Another thing you should know, last but not the least, guys, is you click on color. Okay, customize color scheme. You want to look like my own. What you do under scheme, put it on custom. You see green on black, black on white. You see custom. I use custom. Background, you can see you have black, you have white. I use white. Foreground, I use this color black. Okay, you can use black. Grid, look at the color I'm using, plain. All right, volume, green. Bar up, look at my green. Bar down, look at my red. Bull candle, my green. Bear candle, that is the candle that are going down, my red. Then chart line, black. Bid price line, blue. Ask price line, red. Stop level, red. And then you now click done. Okay, once you click it like that, you come here, you're going to see it exactly the way my own looks like. It's not cluttered at all, and it's very easy to understand. Do you understand, guys? So that is just the bottom lines, guys. That's how to go about it. It's very simple. It's not complicated at all. This is what you do when you download your MT4 on your phone. It's very simple. So I'm going to make this video available to all of you. Okay, study it and enjoy it. All right, till I see you next time for another video. Bye for now. Cheers.